This is the Legal View with Farah Farah, and I'm Chuck Farah. With me today is my partner Eddie Farah. Today we're going to be talking about contingency fees. Eddie, tell us a little bit about the contingency fee.
You know, a lot of people are really concerned about what it costs to hire an attorney, but nearly all personal injury firms, including Farah Farah, work on what we call a contingency fee arrangement. And what that means is that we don't get paid until the case has been resolved, there's been a settlement or recovery on your behalf. The nice thing about the contingency fee arrangement is that a person who doesn't have a lot of money or is of limited means can go out and hire the best lawyer they know to pursue their case.
Yeah, and that's very important. I mean, to not be required to put out money monthly on an hourly basis to pay a lawyer is a very good. It levels the playing field between the client and these large corporations. But aren't these cases expensive to pursue, and who pays the cost for these cases?
And that's a good point, Chuck. And another thing here at Farah Farah, we advance all costs on the case. As you know, there's the filing fee is several $100s alone.
Right. What about experts and people of that sort?
You're right. Medical experts, doctors, the best in their field can charge thousands of dollars to come to court to testify. You have accident reconstructionists a lot of times you need to come into court on your behalf. At Farah Farah, we don't put a budget on a case. If we believe in it, we'll pursue it and spend what it takes to pursue that case. A lot of lawyers, law firms, as you know, are not in that same situation.
I agree with that. And what's nice is if there's no recovery, again, these costs that the law firm pays, I mean, they're putting their personal money into it. Those costs aren't paid back or paid by the client if there's no recovery.
That's right. At Farah Farah, there's no cost or attorney's fees unless there's a recovery. And one thing you always want to make sure is that does the law firm that you've hired, I know they're working on a contingency, but do they have the financial ability to really fund the case? A lot of lawyers will try to cut corners and maybe try to hire experts that are not that well known to try to save some money, or maybe not even bring experts in at all. So
right.
You want to make sure that the law firm you hire has the financial ability to really pursue the matter.
Right, because the opposing side, normally insurance companies, they have the money to hire any expert they want. So again, the contingency fee levels the playing field.
Sure does.